Maybe you've heard this sentence 1,000 times. What's the best way to break a habit? Honestly, that sentence is totally wrong because habits aren't broken. They're transformed from one habit to another. So let's explore the best way to change a habit together. Step 1, set clear goals. In the first step, you need to specify exactly what habits you want to replace. Write them down on paper. Step 2, identify triggers. Figure out what triggers pull you towards bad habits. Aim to try to avoid situations or conditions that bring you closer to those triggers. Step 3, replace bad habits with positive habits. You can't eliminate bad habits because our memory doesn't work that way. It means you're not supposed to completely drop a habit. You need to replace the positive habits you wrote down in the first step with the bad habits. How? Let's say you want to quit the habit of scrolling through social media and replace it with reading books or listening to podcasts. Anytime you feel like scrolling, quickly switch to reading a book or listening to a podcast. The point here is to only listen to podcasts when you feel tempted to scroll for at least 2 to 3 weeks until your brain completely replaces scrolling with podcasts. Step 4, reward yourself. Setting small rewards for achieving short-term goals can give you the necessary motivation to continue your efforts. Figure reward for yourself for each milestone you achieve based on your needs. Step 5, give yourself time. Replacing a habit takes time and may require several attempts. Remember, each time you feel discouraged, don't forget that to become the best version of yourself, you must overcome and ignore many things. Remember, everyone is different, and a solution that is effective for one person may not be as effective for another. Also, be patient and allow yourself to learn and grow throughout the process.